Hey there, race enthusiasts! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we have an exciting unboxing video for you all. We're about to unveil the thrilling world of Carrera racetracks. Take a look at this exciting package. Inside we have a brand new Carrera racetrack waiting to be unleashed. Now let's get this unboxing started. Opening up the package, we're greeted by a world of speed and excitement. The Carrera Go. Formula Championship boasts a track length of approximately 6.9 meters, providing ample space for heart-pounding races. Its impressive size measures 302 x 68 centimeters, ensuring a thrilling racing experience. Now let's talk about the stars of the show, the authentic 143 scale replica cars. In this set, we have the iconic Red Bull Verstappen and the powerhouse Mercedes Hamilton. These highly detailed cars bring the Formula Championship excitement right into your living room. I can't wait to dive into this adrenaline-pumping adventure with you. And now let's bring these cars to life. Watch as they zoom around the track, leaving a trail of excitement in their wake. The cars glide effortlessly thanks to Carrera's innovative technology and attention to detail. It's a race like no other. It's time to assemble our very own Carrera racetrack. Assembling a Carrera racetrack is like building your own miniature speedway. The track pieces fit together seamlessly, creating twists, turns, and straightaways for an exhilarating race. Brace yourself for the ultimate thrill as you experience the flyover and looping elements of this Carrera racetrack. That wraps up our Carrera racetrack unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this thrilling adventure and got a taste of the excitement that Carrera brings to the world of racing. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel. Until then, stay on track and keep the speed alive.